the latest blender in town, the food processor. So I'm using the food processor to wash my beans, okay, to get the back of the beans out. Okay, after soaking the beans, so you kind of put in the blender and blend. Don't make it rough. You can see what I did. So you see the outcome. You wash. Make sure you sieve the back out from it, and that's the outcome. The next thing, you blend your pepper, your onion, your ginger, your garlic, whatever you want to add to your beans, you can add. Okay, then start blending. Me, I did not put too much pepper, but if you want your beans to actually look reddish, just put this pepper they call shumbo, this long short red pepper, so you can put enough of it. Me, I did not put enough. Then this I added my fish stock. I've already parboiled the fish. Add your maggi, your salt, that's all. Then you add your fish, your crayfish, chicken. Now that's all. Add salt to taste. Make sure that everything is them. Then that's how I start putting it in a foil. I use a foil, to put it. That's my fish. You put it in a foil, okay? And you put it. I'll show you, Sha. You will see the process. Just keep looking. You see the process on how I did it, and it comes out awesome. So after, remember, you just put little water and steam. What I did was steaming. Just added little water in the pot and then cover it with a foil, okay, for it to steam. Steaming is what cooks the moi-moi, not boiling. You steam, okay. And I love you guys. It turns out amazing. So if you want to see more of my cooking video, please don't hesitate to follow me, subscribe, and like and share my videos. I love you guys. And I still remain Grace sweet. Okay, I have a lot to bring to the table. It's just I'm somehow busy. That's why, but I'll be trying my possible best to be dropping at least one cooking every day. Okay, I love you guys and my amazing people.
You're some kind of butterfly, baby. You give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.